The calculus, one of the most basic and fundamental tools of modern mathematics. Two men can rightly claim to have invented it. Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Newton discovered his calculus first in the year 1665 or 1666. Leibniz made his own independent discoveries some 10 years later. However, neither men saw fit to publish what they have discovered for some years after that. Well, if you try to describe how the world works, you really have to know how things are connected in a mathematical way. We have been talking a lot about velocity, acceleration and position and how they are all connected to each other. Velocity is a change in your position. Acceleration is a measure of your change in velocity. They are connected. One quality will describe how the other is changing. The way we describe change in mathematics is through calculus. Calculus allows us to bring in a ladder which we can climb either up or down. When we climb down the ladder, we take a lower part or a lower degree of our original function. Leibniz calls this as the derivative. Calculus allows us to climb up the ladder. When we climb up the ladder, we take higher powers or degrees of our original function. Leibniz calls this as the integration. Considering differential equation. If we have to model the volume of this balloon, we might assume this to be spherical in shape. And we may use the formula volume is equal to 4/3 pi times radius cubed. This shows that volume of the balloon is related to the radius of the balloon. If I start to reduce the volume of the balloon, things starts to change. The volume of the balloon reduces and so is the radius. How are these changing quantities related to each other now? And what is the formula used to calculate these changing quantities? Again, the answer lies with the derivative. Considering integral calculus. Let's suppose we have a car that goes exactly 25 km per hour. If it drives for 3 hours, then we can find that it will travel a total distance of 75 km. But that is not the change we are looking for. Now, let's suppose that due to the road conditions, the car is speeding up and then slowing down. In other words, the speed is changing. Now that we have a more realistic problem. How can we determine how far the car will travel in 3 hours? The answer lies in integral calculus. The total displacement of the car can be found by taking the integral of the car's velocity with respect to time. Thank you for watching, and finally I encourage all of you to study maths in general and calculus in particular. Thank you.